In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new column Trello. By the end, you'll know exactly how to create a new column called a list in Trello so you can organize tasks the way that makes the most sense for your workflow. This is a quick, beginner-friendly walkthrough with a few helpful tips to keep things smooth and clear. First, have your Trello board open so you can see your existing columns across the top of the screen. Columns in Trello are vertical lists that hold your cards. Those cards can be tasks, ideas, notes, or anything you need to track. Adding a new column is helpful when your process changes, when your team needs a new stage, or when you're grouping work by priority, status, or owner. Look toward the far right side of your board and find the option labeled Add Another List. It usually appears after your last column and stands out as an empty space with a clear call to action. Clicking this opens a small field where you'll name your new column. If your board already has several columns, you may need to scroll horizontally to spot it, but it will always be at the end of your current lists. In the name field that appears, type the name you want for your new column. Keep it short, specific, and meaningful so everyone immediately understands its purpose. Common examples include to do, in progress, and done, but feel free to tailor it to your workflow, like needs review, blocked, backlog, or this week. Clear naming helps teammates place cards correctly and reduces confusion later. If your team uses consistent naming conventions, stick with them here to keep the board easy to scan at a glance. Once you've typed the name, confirm the creation by selecting Add List. The new column appears instantly on your board as a fresh vertical space, ready to hold cards. You can start adding cards into it right away, or simply leave it in place for when you're ready to reorganize. Don't worry if you're still refining your process. Your list name isn't permanent, and you can always update it later if your workflow evolves. That's all there is to it. Click Add Another List, type the name, and select Add List. With this quick action, your board becomes more aligned to how you actually work. As you continue building out your columns, remember that clear, purposeful names make it easier for everyone to understand priorities and status at a glance. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more organized Trello board.